Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Oswald Solomon, and today I'm going to show you how to get Udemy courses for free without paying a dime. So what is Udemy in the first place? So if this is your first time of hearing about Udemy is a learning platform where you buy courses and equip yourself with the knowledge you want. There are a lot of things you can learn here on Udemy. You can go to development. Under development, we have web development, mobile development, programming languages, game development, and all that. In business, we have entrepreneurship, communication, management, sales, business strategy. And then in finances, we have accounting and bookkeeping, cryptocurrency and blockchain, finance modeling and analytics, investing and trading. In IT, we have IT certification, network and security, hardware, operating system, and servers. Then in personal development, we have personal transformation, personal productivity, leadership, career development, parenting and relationship. There's a lot of courses you can learn on this platform. Just name it. What exactly do you want? So fine. If the these courses here are not okay for you, you can decide to come here and search for what you are looking for. Let's say for instance, let me search for copywriting. Okay, copywriting, search. So here there is 2056 results for copywriting. So there's a lot of courses here that you can buy. You can buy. So now let's look at this copywriting course. This one says bestseller. Okay. We'll come down again. A lot of these courses are actually here. So this one is actually for beginners. So the course, this very course here, complete AI. Okay, I've already opened it. Complete AI powered copywriting course and ChatGPT course. These are absolutely for beginners. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so there's a lot of courses you can learn on this platform. So now if copywriting is actually huge for you, you are looking something specific, to copywriting, you can, type copywriting and then come down to this drop down menu. We have SEO copywriting SEO, web copywriting, copywriting writing. There's a lot of things you can do here. But the thing is, this platform is not free. Yes, there are free courses you can get, but those free courses, will not actually give you what you want. But then again, there's this saying that says free things will only make you peanuts. So that's why the courses here are actually, somehow expensive. Like this very one here is actually saying 5,500, but this is not the price of this course. Okay, they are actually giving me at this rate is because this course is actually on promo. So the real price of this course is 34,900 naira. Yeah, that's the real price of this course. So let me go back to my home page. Okay, so now how exactly will you get these courses for free? There are three ways to do this, but out of these three ways, there is only one proven way that you can use to get these courses for free. So to avoid wasting your time and all that, I'm just going to show you this one proven way on how to get these courses for free. Now, how do you do this? I have three courses that I want to buy in the course of this video. So I have to come here. This is actually the list of the courses that I want to buy. The complete digital advertising course plus chat gpt guide 2023. So let me just copy this course. This is the course I want to buy. Okay, now to get these Udemy courses for free, you need another software called uh, coupon scorpion.com. So this website is what we are going to use. So if you look at this website here, it says 100% off and free Udemy courses. Now it goes down and say welcome to the ultimate resource for 100% off and free Udemy coupons, coupon codes, discounts, and special offers. We have added 171 new Udemy coupons in the past 24 hours. So what we're talking about here, they said 171 in the past 24 hours. Okay, so if you're looking for an excellent online learning experience and want to save a ton of money, you are in the right place. So let's just scroll down and see what these people are saying. So this is 4 minutes. They added this course here, 4 minutes. This one is 3 hours. This one is 4 hours. This one here is 4 hours. This one is 6 hours. This one is 7 hours. So these courses, they just recently add these courses on this platform. Okay, so if you search for any course here and you did not see it, just come back again, maybe a day or two, you may luckily find the course here. So now, how do we actually do this? Now, since I have actually copied the name of the course that I want to buy, so what I have to do is to come here. Okay, so click on this search bar and then paste what I have already copied and click on search. Okay, very good. So this is it. It says the complete digital advertising course plus chat GPT guide 2023. So all I have to do is to just click on it. So now this is the course. They're now telling me what I would learn on this course. Now it says learn digital advertising, learn effective ad strategies for Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, LinkedIn, and Beam ads. Learn modern re-engagement. So it comprises everything about social media advertising. So let me just scroll down. You can actually take your time and look at what this course promises to give you. So let me just scroll down. Okay, here is saying the requirement, an internet connection, no previous knowledge of PPC is required at all, only determination and a hunger to learn. We will teach you the rest. So it's actually telling you that you don't need anything, just your your system and your internet connection. Okay, you can also do this with your phone. But then, okay, description. Okay, let's still keep scrolling down. Let's keep scrolling down. Okay, okay. So they are still telling you what you will learn in this course. So when doing this, you can take your time, go through it. But in the course of this video, I don't want to waste your time. Now there's something I've been looking for, and this is this thing here. So he said get coupon code. Normally in USD they are saying that this cost is $69.99. That is, let's say, approximately $70. That's what these people said that this course is selling at Udemy. So what am I going to do? I click on get coupon code. Very good. It's actually loading. So what just happened? It brought me to Udemy completely. Are you seeing it? So okay, fine. What am I actually going to do? How am I going to get this course without paying a dime? So Udemy says, see here, are you seeing this thing? It says free 99. Okay, sorry, 19,900% have been cancelled, 100% off. So I'm not paying a dime for this course. So this is a course that is selling for 19,900 naira. So what am I going to do? I click on enroll now. Yeah. So very good. It's saying enroll now. But let's go back. I want to show you something. Okay. This is it. Now, if you want to return this offer, do not click on add to cart. Don't. Just click on enroll now, because if you click on add to cart, you will not be able to buy this course for free. So just click on enroll now. So that's what we're doing. Enroll now, and let's still click on it again. Okay, now it says by enrolling you agree to these terms of service. So this is Udemy terms of service. Is a normal terms of service for every other courses on Udemy. So I click on enroll now. So very good. Now say great choice, Solomon. 30 days guarantee. We want you to love every course you take on Udemy. If it's not right, you have 30 days to return it. Of course, I did not, pay for this course. So what am I returning? This is absolutely free. So this is it. I've actually, you know, purchased this course. So it says jump right in. Shall we jump right in? Let me just click on start course to show you that this is actually real. There is no magic here. Okay, so okay, let me just play it a bit.
So happy to welcome you to the course. Just please, if you have been using Google, download Udemy app for Google. It has been fantastic, and especially for Apple, it has been fantastic app. Be sure to download it and use it.
Okay, this is it. I just played the course to let you know that yes, we are actually on this. So I've downloaded this course. Okay, guys, I wanted to buy the three course, but I noticed that this video is getting unnecessarily lengthy, so I have to end it here. All you guys have to do is to follow the steps on this video and purchase your course on Udemy without spending a dime. So if you find value on this video, I want you to smash the like button, and if this is your first time of visiting our channel, Vected Side Hustles, I want you to subscribe on this channel and keep checking for relevant videos like this. Thank you so much and remain blessed out there.